Hey, what's going on YouTube? We're back with another video. Today we're gonna be installing the carbon fiber trunk trim. This is gonna be an overlay because I'll be honest, the full replacement is a little expensive. And I'm in college right now, so I gotta save money where I can get it. But I'm actually pretty hungry now, so let's actually go get some breakfast. Actually, what I meant to say was lunch, but let's go get some lunch. So actually, before we get into the car, I gotta show y'all something. The car is super dirty, just got back from a trip. But, what's it called? My front lip has completely fallen off, bro. And I think I know the reason why. So it recently rained down here, and I think it got flooded. And we were in my car, getting back from somewhere, and I actually went through a huge puddle. So I'm pretty sure half my wheels were submerged, or at least to like the bumper. So I think when I ran through it, the lip fell off. And I found it the next day, but you know, I like broke it because people kept running it over and stuff. But it's whatever, I'll just get another one, it's cool. All right, so we're actually gonna be joined by Trey today. He's one of my roommates and stuff, but yeah. Let's go get some food, bro. I'm hungry, bro, I ain't gonna lie. Bro, I'll be honest, y'all, Chick-fil-A never lets me down, bro. Got Trey ordering right now, but look at the car, bro, it's so dirty. Yeah. Nasty, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna get that problem fixed today. It's kind of embarrassing.
Rice. Right.
Nice. I'm gonna get back to y'all whenever we finish eating. Might we hit a car wash after this? I'm not sure though. I might drop this kid off first. But I'll let you know. Yeah.
Like if I saw someone that works here out at a bar or something, feels like it's against the contract. 69, I want a 69.
Well, Chick-fil-A always hit, bro. This man got a whole. What'd you get? 2 chicken sandwiches? Okay, so I'm looking at yourself, bro. You got a number 7, bro. I get another number 1, but just a sandwich.
I got 4 number 1s and large fries.
This is fat. He be eating a lot. We gonna hit a car wash and get a car wash, and then we'll go home and actually do the install. So I'll see you there. All right. So I finally found a car wash that can actually handle the low car. Oh my God. But it's just at a gas station. I mean, I work with what I got. It's kind of hard to find a self-wash out here. But it's just time to get a car. Shut up! God damn! What's wrong, sir?
Just chilling here.
Man, I washed the car, just got back from the car wash, but it's still pretty dirty. Real is good. That's just the main thing that I was worried about mostly, because that's what we're installing today. So still dirty, but looks better. Plus I got alcohol and stuff to remove all the dirt. We head upstairs and grab the stuff and do the install. All right, so you already know this install. I've done it before on the WX, but when we took it off to get the parts off of the SCI, it actually cracked. So I just got to reorder. It's cool, but you already know this is gonna be a simple install. You know, just clean this part, wipe it down, stick it on with 3M tape, and we're pretty much good. So let's go ahead and set y'all up on the tripod, and then I'll just time lapse the install for y'all. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I really actually do miss this piece. It's just a small little piece, but it accents the carbon for the exhaust over there. But you know, eventually I'll get a little like gurney flap for like the wing and stuff like that. I'm really debating. I've seen people put like a little duck bill in carbon, but I'm not sure about all that, because I think the gurney flap might just do enough for it. But just with that and the carbon up there, I think it looks great. So yeah, I actually miss this a lot. But next install, I think we got some carbon mirrors coming in for y'all, because I'm actually so tired. Black's cool, but I didn't do just the full one like last time. Just into the top portion and eventually change out these LEDs for sequential ones. But I'm gonna do the top part, and then we got headlight tint. Obviously can't install it here because it's all dusty, but I'm about to finish up with school and stuff, so you would install it then. You know, black out the sides, get rid of the orange right there. Match more of the theme of the car. But I do miss the back carbon and the carbon mirrors. I had to sell those. I didn't fail on these, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, let me go ahead and clean up all this. Also, yeah, I forgot. Well, shout out to GOGOCARBON, bro. They always hook it up. They got some good products up there. Would have ordered their mirror caps, but I got a good sale on some other place I totally forgot about. But yeah, their carbon is so good. 100% authentic. Good weave too, bro. Real carbon too, not that fake stuff. Yeah, let me go ahead and clean up, and I'm gonna go upstairs. But yeah, guys, I mean, pretty much that's gonna be a short video, super simple install. But I'm just trying to get some of the pieces back that I lost from the WRX and stuff like that. But you know, it's just stuff happens. You know, college stuff. I'm about to end school, so I kind of have like you know, I have big plans for the summer, but don't know if it's gonna happen yet. But you know, I'm not gonna get you high hopes for none. All these other YouTubers on, you know, YouTube and stuff, like they can do all that, but I can't. I'm just end of the day just a college student. So, but yeah, gonna be it for today's video. Hopefully y'all liked it. And I'm trying to do more vlog-based videos to get more, give y'all longer, pretty much like longer stuff to watch, longer content. But yeah, let me know if y'all like it. Also, I have a question, like what cameras do y'all recommend using to like vlog and stuff like that, or just record in general? Because I'm tired of using the phone. You know, it's cool, but I'm trying to upgrade my content stuff. So let me know what camera y'all use and what editing software y'all use. I would love to start getting into that, get, you know, better content for everybody. But yeah, I hope y'all liked the video today. If y'all did, make sure y'all subscribe, like the video, and hit the bell notification. Y'all get posted whenever I post, and I'll see y'all later.